Welcome to this non-invasive installation video guide of the TEK920 Pulse Wave radar sensor from Rochester Sensors, an Amphenol company. The TEK920 is a pulse wave radar level sensor designed to accurately monitor liquid levels in plastic and steel tanks. Level data is transmitted wirelessly using Bluetooth Low Energy, and a local display provides clear on-site visibility. The sensor supports both invasive and non-invasive installation methods. In this video, the focus is on non-invasive installation, where the tank sensor mounts externally and measures through the tank wall on plastic tanks. All components required for installation are supplied with the sensor and should be used to ensure proper sealing and reliable performance. Step 1 is selecting a location on top of the tank that is not too close, 25 centimeters or 10 inches, to any internal or external obstructions. Clean the mounting area thoroughly to remove dirt, grease, or residue. An alcohol wipe or similar cleaner is recommended. The selected location should be dry, level, and clear from any standing water that could occur. Ensure that no water enters the base adapter during the installation. Also, measure the installation point to the base of the tank before proceeding. Turn the sensor upside down and place the black O-ring in position on the base of the pulse wave unit and push the adapter into position and hand tighten with the 4 M3 screws, 10 mm or 4/10 of an inch, with a Posi Phillips screwdriver. Ensure the bayonet adapter is firmly pressed against the base of the sensor. The adapter should sit evenly and be hand-tightened only. Do not over-tighten. To activate the Bluetooth function and wake the sensor from factory mode, hold the sensor in a horizontal orientation and firmly double-tap the rear edge of the enclosure on a hard surface. The 2 taps should be applied within a 2-second window. This is referred to as a double tap. This should be repeated 2 more times. The sensor BLE connection remains active for at least 3 minutes before reverting to sleep if there is no activity. Next, insert the blue O-ring into the base adapter. Screw the sensor and base adapter together until locked firmly in place. Remove the top protective tab only on the adhesive pad and carefully adhere it to the base adapter. Ensure that it is centrally mounted and that the adapter and pad holes are aligned. Open the Rochester Universal BLE app and ensure Bluetooth is enabled on the cell phone app. Select 920 Pulse Wave Radar. Press the Scan button to display the list of sensors available. If the sensor does not appear on the BLE app scan list, perform the double tap function again. Select Sensor by serial number from list. Review Section 1 Site Prep for hints on sensor mounting preparation and location. Click the Install button on Screen 2 to start the installation sequence. Press Next to move through an alignment check. Green or orange confirms acceptable alignment. If a red dot appears, choose an alternate location that is level. Please note that for tank heights greater than 2 meters, it is preferable to have a green dot. The maximum sensor ullage range is 3 meters. Once alignment is confirmed, then the sensor may be fully installed in this area of the tank. Remove the bottom tab from the adhesive pad and firmly press the sensor onto the tank and orient the display so it is clearly visible. Next stage is to move to BLE installation. BLE Install Setup. Press Next to move to Tank Setup on Section 3. BLE Install Setup. On the drop-down menu, select the nearest liquid type, oil or water. Select the correct mounting option, invasive or non-invasive. Enter the usable tank height in centimeters. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. BLE Install Finish. Press Next to move to Section 4 and wait for test to complete and display Installation Successful. Press Finish to return to the dashboard view. This concludes the installation. If the display indicates an installation failed, check if the liquid type and tank height is correctly set. If not, press the previous button to go back and correct them. In some circumstances, the installation can fail if there are issues with overfilled tanks where the sensor cannot resolve a correct reading in the blind zone. In these cases of tank overfilled, it is recommended to either postpone installation or accept the current situation will resolve itself when the liquid level reduces. Thank you for watching.